All right, so now we need to break apart the next part of the task. So whenever we click on the picture, we want it to do something. We want to take a look at let's say the overall pictures object, and then we want it to get all of the paintings and put them into an array. And then we are going to need to have some sort of reference to the index of that array. And then we need to randomly pick a number. So we have a few different steps here. So I think the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and create the actual code that is going to be the painting switcher, and have that code bring in or allow us to have an array of prefabs. So let's go ahead and try that out, and then I'll see you in the next video. All right, so how'd that go? So we know that we have our pictures parent object, and I think I want this object to have the painting switcher code. So let's go ahead and create that new script, and we're going to call this painting switcher. And then let's open this up. And the first thing that we said we wanted to do in this task was to create the array. So let's go ahead and jump into that. We're going to say public and game object. And to create an array, we're going to use the square brackets. And then let's just go ahead and call this paintings, whatever they are. And we will populate those through the inspector there. And let's see, kind of thinking through if there's anything else that we want to do at this point. I think we're good just for right now. That's the task that we wanted to create. And let's go ahead and actually populate this array with our paintings in the inspector. All right, so on the pictures object, I'm going to go ahead and add in that painting switcher code. And then let's go ahead and add the paintings that we want into this. So I'm going to select all of these, but remember we can select the pictures and lock this down. And then we're going to select all of these that are in the scene. And we are going to drag and drop that onto where it says paintings. And that'll auto-populate that list for us in the order that we drag those in. All right, so we have painting 07 through 11. That's all populated in there. And now we have access to these individual paintings that are in the scene. So we have references to those. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead and move on into our next video.